Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to repost reels on your Instagram. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the reel sections over here and then just click it, and now we are already generated into the reel sections. And then now we can scroll down and find out which reels that we want to repost. And then after we found one, you can just go into the plain button over here and then just click it, and then we will be generated into the next sections. And if you can see on the downside on the left corner, there is add story. Just click the add story to add or repost these reels into our story. We can adjusting the size of the reels. You can make it bigger or smaller, and then just adjust it according to what you want the reels looks on our stories. After we finish adjusting the reels size, we just need to click your story and wait until the reels being reposted into our story. And now let's check either the reels is already posted on our story or not by opening our story sections. We can wait until it 100% applied into the story. Okay, so that's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into these channels.